Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Temple of Possibilities. I am Minister William, or Reverend Will if you wish, leading today's sermon of June 22nd, 2025. And as always, we'll start with a moment of silence for prayer, meditation, or what have you. Thank you. Our sermon this week is called Be the Bird in Flight. Was posted on the Unitarian Universalist Association website by Jolie Rock on June 11th, 2025. So, just a couple weeks ago. Faith is the bird that feels the light when the dawn is still dark. Robin Dragnath Tagore. Sorry I butchered that name. Every Sunday as I enter the sanctuary, I welcome another opportunity to greet congregationists, with an electric tapestry of sound, a blend of piano melodies, choir harmonies, and a strumming of instruments. I greet the sexton with cheerful good morning. I wave at the staff who have melancholy planned our service. The choir members arrive, ready to lift their voices and spirits in song. I take my place, prepare to lead the congregants in worship. I hope they'll join in, not just in song, but and also in spirit, receiving the message interwoven through the word, music, and movement. It's not always easy. I often carry the weariness of endless days and late nights. Sometimes I find myself moved during worship, a tear wells, my heart fills with heaviness. These are difficult moments when I have to remind myself that I'm here to survive. My moment to reflect will come later. For now, I must stay on task. My gaze wanders across the people's expressions and then to the art that graces the sanctuary walls. 4 bronze birds spiral upwards, like whispers of hope, their wings spread wide, urging me to rise above the weight of daily life, to soar into space untouched by earthly worries, a realm of lightness, joy, and fresh air. It's a place where I can breathe deeply, where my soul is free to sing, dance, and thrive. Art heals. I've experienced firsthand the restorative power of music, poetry, prose, quilting, sewing, and other forms of creative expression. They're essential for my well-being. Creative expression feeds my soul. Just like worship itself can inspire, creativity can offer a pathway toward healing. We heal through absorbing the creative act of others as well as encouraging our own creativity. When the world presses too hard, when the weight of despair feels too heavy, and the light of hope seems dim, I remind myself to close my eyes and be the bird in flight. Soar toward your dreams. Aim for your highest self. Let the creativity within you flow, sing, dance, sculpt. Let my wings unfurl, guiding me toward freedom, peace and joy. Prayer. As the new day dawns, may the light
get us. The world
is going to put heavy weight on our shoulders. It's going to weigh us down. But we have to find that thing that lifts us up, keeps us going. We have to be like birds in flight, like the thing said, being graceful, pushing back, and taking off. Don't let the world weigh you down. Fly, soar, keep on moving. And remember, when we all come together, possibilities are endless. And I'll see you next week.